thing that this has never happened to me.
What do you do for work?
Repainting.
You paint?
Yeah.
Track.
Are you guys sure that this is real?
Yeah.
No,
We're just gonna have you sit in the back of my car right now. All right? Hey, what's going on, man? Are you calling?
No.
You didn't call?
At all?
No, you didn't call?
I did not call whatsoever.
Okay. Are you trying to cash in the... Is there going a situation on at the bank?
No.
No situation going on in the bank?
I just walked out of there.
Okay. You have an ID on you by
Yeah.
any chance? Okay. Yeah, we just got a call about an issue going on at the bank with disturbance or anything like that.
I didn't even...
I'm...
Oh, no. I'm just saying
that's
disturbance. Like, no.
I got you. It's right there, but 29 when you're ready.
What disturbance were they saying that I did?
There was a lot of arguing going back and forth.
Oh my God, I swear.
That's what we're just trying to figure out.
No, I promise you. I got a call because I have to go and I am not... They literally told me I can't. They have to call the owner and I left.
Okay.
I told them I'll get another form of payment and I was out.
Too good. Nothing I saw.
Can I go use the restroom? You can call me
In a second. Like I said, if it's
well, I was leaving right now,
Okay.
but you're gonna have to give me a minute. No? Oh my God, but I wasn't even arguing with them.
Like I said, sometimes things come over the radio a lot different, and then in the whole situation
They didn't even, they told, the lady went to the bathroom.
So what were you trying to do in there?
I just went to cash my check and that's it.
You went to cash your check?
That I got given a check to pay. That's it. And then she told me I can't, and I was like, okay. She gave me my IDs and my card, and I walked out, and I came here, and then you guys came saying that I was causing a scene, which that was not.
So you went in, tried to cash a check, and then they said you can't do it?
She told me they have to call the owner to verify. Literally, I sat down, I waited, and she came out and told me no. No, the gentleman told me no, and I said, okay. And then he was like, I said, can I have my check back? And he said, no, we have to keep it. Okay. And I said, okay, I'll get it. I'm going to talk to them. It's a check made out to me, paid for. So I just came in here because I don't have an account with them. Mm-hmm. I used my business debit card to show my 2 forms of ID, which... Oh, shit!
Where's your vehicle?
Yeah, where's your car, man?
I'm sorry?
Where's your car?
I got dropped off and I'm getting picked up. That's why I was leaving in a hurry.
Gotcha.
So...
Where's the person that's picking you up?
Well, that's the thing. I'm calling them because they have to go somewhere else. So I don't know. Like, I didn't know this was going to happen right now. So I'm calling to get an Uber while they go pick someone else up.
Have the guy come back here that's picking you up?
No, I don't have that. So I don't have that option. Because they're leaving because they held me up. So when I left, I was like, okay, I'll come out and get an Uber. That's fine. I did not make a scene or did not fight with anybody in there.
Is anybody in there?
Crowd turkey.
Yeah, there was a lady right behind me.
I guess, I don't know.
Is that her ID?
Yeah. And I have my other
Get
ID.
back, yeah, valid neg. Yeah, go check that. Yeah, once we figure out, I mean, maybe I don't know what, like I said, the full
deal, is the deal that is it an ordeal that I curse somebody out or something? Because that wasn't the case.
I mean,
hey, you're already on the way, so I'm gonna have to order an Uber, right? So no. Not at all. They're not letting me leave. Can I leave?
Not yet. Like I said, we're just trying to figure out.
They
what's
don't
going
let
on.
me leave because they're trying to figure out what's. Yeah. No, they're saying that I told someone like offensive stuff and that I was.
It was just a disturbance.
That a disturbance is what they're saying. Yeah. No.
I get
So
it.
I understand. But yeah, okay, so probably they're going inside to investigate. I'm not sure they're gonna ask someone if I caused this scene or whatnot.
So she tried, this is the second, fifth, third. She tried today. She did it over there at Fifth Ave. They denied it. They sent out like a, hey, Bolo, watch out. She came here and tried to do the same thing, so.
Okay.
Here's the check. Here's the card. Here's a check from, this is from over there, correct? The Fifth Ave?
Yes.
So she has her ID. We ran that.
And then this is the check that she tried over here, and here's the actual check she tried to just deposit here.
Yeah, so this is a second, this is a, no, it's the same.
It's the same check.
The same
yeah.
check.
And then you guys said you contacted these people, and they have no idea about the check.
Yes. We verified with the business signer the he did not recognize this person
Okay.
and the amount.
Okay.
You said you sent the email?
Yes.
I don't know if it's on a service or I haven't gotten it yet.
You doing a sworn and everything?
I haven't gotten a sworn yet, no.
Okay.
I can go get that.
Yeah.
Do you want to see if she can get the thing emailed to you or print it out?
The what?
The email from the other bank?
Yeah. If
Can you try to print it out too?
That's what
I'm sorry.
no problem. Let me get my
I gotta leave this video. I'll go get one.
Do you have a purse or anything that's in that car that dropped you off?
No.
Do you have everything on you in your pockets?
Yep. My IDs.
I have
and
my
then
ID
what?
right now.
I'm sorry?
I have your ID.
Well, yeah, I know, but that's.
Yeah.
Did the person already head back? Or are they going to come back?
No, they had left. I got dropped off and they're leaving, so I was
So they're
just
not
gonna
gonna
over.
come
No,
back?
because they have to go pick someone up. We're working, so I mean, this
Where-
was construction.
Where do you need to go back to?
It depends on what my next job is gonna be right now, so I have to call and find out. That's why I got bombarded right now. I was expecting to get paid. This was not supposed to happen like this. At the end of the day, like I don't know.
I get it.
You know
Like
what
I
I'm
said,
saying? Like,
we just gotta figure out. Like I said,
that's fine. As soon as you guys do, I want to
Yeah.
know what's going on too. Because
Exactly,
then
yeah,
I
we'll
just
let you-
go and
we'll let you know. Yeah.
do what I gotta do. I don't know. That's why she was in the bathroom forever. But they said that I screamed or something, or no?
Like I said, it was just a disturbance.
Okay.
They
No, you
could.
made it seem like I fought with them.
No. Like I said, with that, it could be one of many things, and then, like I said, that's pretty much why we're trying to figure out what happened. You know, like I wanted to hear your side of the story, and now we have someone else here. So pretty much, you said you came in, tried to cash a check, and then they said no, and you left.
Literally, if I was in there for more than 5 minutes, it was too much.
Okay.
I waited more than they actually.
I got you.
Okay. Perfect. So he's just gonna grab a sworn statement, and we just need you to write basically what happened, and then
She did. She did. Awesome. Thank you. Gotta hold it.
all right. So this is a different check, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm.
Like,
Yes.
yeah. So
Maybe they kept this one at Fifth Avenue.
Maybe.
okay.
We don't know.
Okay.
She has a bunch of
What are you doing?
Give you all your information. You done this one statement before?
Yes.
Okay. It happened, what, a month ago?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna see what they're doing with her.
Just
All
stopping though.
right.
I mean, there's more than enough here to make the arrest, so.
Yeah. Yo. Yeah. So the manager's filling us sworn now. We have all the stuff. So she tried to also cash a different check at another bank earlier today. Another Fifth Third. So.
Gotcha. All right, no problem. Just want to make sure. All right, sounds good. All right.
What is that? I mean,
Grabbing lunch.
do that. You haven't eaten lunch yet?
This is the start of our shift, girl.
And this is the end of my day. I went to I had a freaking I'm hungry. I had to go to the bathroom too, so
I gotcha. All right. Who are you calling right now?
no, I'm on the phone with my people. I'm waiting to see what to do, and I'm also on the phone back and forth. I have people calling me because they're waiting on me. I'm not
I gotcha.
answering.
All right. Well, let's put the phone down first, and then I'll tell you exactly what they told me, pretty much. All right?
Okay.
Yeah. So first, I'm gonna just need you to put your hands behind your back. I'll
Why?
explain everything right now. I'll explain everything. All right?
Okay.
So pretty much, you're being detained because you try to give a forged check or something like that. I'm gonna take off the watch just to make sure.
So you
Doesn't
tried to
get-
cash a fraudulent check.
Pretty
What
much.
How
happened
is
in
it
there?
fraudulent?
Well, that's what we're figuring out.
That's what we're
right
trying
now.
to figure out right now. All right? That's
Wait,
what.
that's a little tight. It's a
All right,
little
I'll fix
tight.
it. I'll fix it. The right one.
The left, this one.
Okay.
Wait. Hold on.
Where'd the check come from?
I was paid by an owner to give, a job. That's not something this has never happened to me.
What do you do for work?
Repainting.
You
You
paint?
have
Yeah.
track. I mean,
Are you guys sure that this is real?
Yeah.
No, this
Yeah.
is.
We're just gonna have you sit in the back of my
is
car
real?
right now. All right? Do you want to
Okay.
just give her?
Pat her
Yeah.
down from his magic book.
So from here, I stay in the car.
We're gonna talk to you about everything. All right? Like I said, once we figure out the
Start
full
moving your
situation,
phone.
we're gonna let you know. All right?
Okay, but I'm not going to.
You have any weapons on you? Anything that's gonna stick me, poke me?
Can you get my glasses, please?
Yeah. We'll grab your glasses. All right?
I'm not gonna lie, the left one is a little bit tight on me.
Okay. We'll do all that. All right?
Well, I have to tell you, ma'am, they're not meant to be comfortable bracelets.
know,
All
I've
right,
never
they
been
gotta.
in handcuffs in my
Okay.
life.
All right, that's cool. All right, you're gonna be sitting in the back.
Just have a seat right here, right? Like I said, once you figure everything out, I'll talk to you, right? Just have a seat for now. Did you turn on the back light, Jesse?
I did not.
Okay.
Yeah, they're not gonna be comfortable. I'm gonna be honest. Figure out how.
So she did this on Fifth Ave South today. So Mirandize
I
her.
didn't read it. Yeah, I didn't want to like do anything questioning like that until.
Yeah, Mirandize her, and then let's see if she'll talk about anything what she's done today. She probably has other checks in there, so.
Yeah. Alright, so listen, just because, like I said, you're being detained right now, you know how they do it in the movies and TV shows, they gotta read you your rights, alright? So I'm gonna start. Alright, you ready? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, to have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You could decide at any time to exercise these rights or not, exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand your rights as I have explained to you? Yes. Okay. Having these rights in mind, are you want to answer my questions?
No.
You don't want to answer any questions right now?
I answered all of your questions and I'm still sitting here.
Alright.
I mean, that's fair enough, right?
Alright, so you don't want to answer any more questions?
No, I need to figure out what is happening to me right now before I'm in here not knowing neither as much as you. So
Well, we just explained that you're in cuffs right now because of some possible fraudulent checks.
and
that
that's
you were
a
trying
big problem. That's a problem.
That is
so,
the reason why, like I said, you're in these cuffs. So
Did you
like,
try to cash another check today?
No,
No?
no.
Okay. Like I said, that's the reason I'm beating you. So if we could get your side of the story, then that's the whole reason I read this. So do you want to
They
ask
have
questions?
her Fifth Ave South. Fifth Ave. She tried to cash a check today, a little while ago.
And did she get that on cash?
No.
You answer some
Oh,
more
both of
questions, then by all means, like I said, the questions
Who do
could
they
help
belong
your
to?
situation.
Different people. They're two different
No?
checks.
You don't want to talk? All right, no problem.
I need help.
I
Okay.
got you.
You-
I'll just go here.
Well, you're under arrest. You're going to be going to jail for fraudulent checks, and we'll go from there. That's pretty much it.
So when can I call somebody?
When you get to the jail,
Once
you'll be
you
able to
get- once
call.
you get to the-
you make your
The jail, yeah.
Phone
like you
call.
said, you could make any phone calls or anything like that, all right?
Okay.
Just give us a few minutes.
Oh, well, will I be out? Will I be out today?
I can't answer that question.
That's not. We're gonna just handle this side of the investigation. Everything that happened in there it's a whole separate
Can you lower
department.
the window a little bit, please?
I got you. Give us a second, all right?
We got to get I got to get some more information in there.
Okay, I was gonna just say. So pretty much just she tried to file a check, and she did this on Fifth. I mean, I don't know. I was trying to get to the whole Fifth Ave questioning, but she didn't want to talk because.
Yeah,
She
that's why
knew.
I just blurted
There
it
was,
out
I
there.
will say, there was one black car that was pulling up. I don't know if he was walking to it, but as soon as I pulled up there, I kind of left. So I was like, I don't know if it's.
Yeah.
It was probably that Chevy that she was talking, or dispatch was saying, but dude, I was just stuck at that light for 5 minutes. It wasn't.
I know.
It's
13
horrible.
minutes from Seagate to here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was stuck there the whole time. I was like, dude, I can't even get there.
I ended up turning my lights on, but I just didn't turn. So
Alright, so Crown's getting statement and all that, right?
Yep. That's gonna make sure he gets all the information
know,
that he
so-
needs.
the guy is probably around watching though. He's
Yeah.
because she's got text messages coming in like
Crazy.
berserk right now.
So, I know we can't do much for the Fifth Ave one because she doesn't want to speak about that, but we just got this one.
Well, if they have her on camera, I mean, the detectives will pick that one up.
That follow up.
We're just gonna get all that information so we can follow it up.
Yeah, that's fine.
So that's what we'll do now.
Alright.
I mean, how would you call and making sure these people heard from you that
So-
save me all this money?
Was it a male or a female that?
Female.
It was a female.
Female that
the same
caught it,
female.
Yeah.
Okay, because she's accompanied by a male.
In a big hat.
Yeah. So they've been trying to do this at a couple of Fifth Thirds.
Yeah, okay.
So, well, it's good we at least caught one of them. We'll probably catch the other one later.
Alright, that's
Yeah.
I
wonderful.
waited to jail for him to pick her up.
All right. Well, thank you.
No, thank you.